from circa 500 BC until 1500 AD, before genocide and colonization. The canoe was the oldest wooden boat on Carriacou, the largest of the Grenadine Islands in the West Indies. On Carriacou, now one of the islands that comprise the nation of Grenada, the dugout canoe was the only mode of transportation for its indigenous Kalinago inhabitants. This Amerindian population on Carriacou traversed its 15 settlements on both the leeward and windward shores, and it crossed the sea to other islands. This dugout canoe is on display at the Carriacou Historical Society Museum in the town of Hillsborough, Carriacou. It was found and extracted in the 1980s from the waters off Mount Pleasant, Grand Bay, which are archaeological sites of Amerindian settlements. This monoxylon is 17 4/10 feet in length and 16.5 inches wide. Its depth is 6 inches. Its size is appropriate for its travelers, who were small in stature. Having been carved from a very strong tree, the canoe's immersion in seawater helped to preserve it. The canoa, or canoes, from Carriacou were made from silk cotton trees, for they grow large and strong, and they are thought to hold supernatural powers. Offerings were made to the spirits when the trees were cut down. While moving through the water, their beliefs about the silk cotton tree gave the Amerindian paddlers power in their strokes, energy, stamina, and strength in their torso, their human trunk. This population was well sheltered on Carriacou, which means the island surrounded by reefs, and Carriacou's calm waters provided an abundance of fish. In their log boats, the Kalinagos paddled about the coral reefs and mangroves, hunting with bows and arrows, spears, hooks, and nets. Tasty grouper, grunt, snapper, tuna, and jacks are some of the fish they caught. The artifacts at the Carriacou Historical Society Museum show us a life that is gone. The wooden boats that the Kalinago made were the forerunner to the wooden boats still used in the Grenadines today. The indigenous people lived in harmony with their environment, a lesson we could have learned.